just got done getting loaded in security, man. Finna go check out. I don't even know what this load is called. What I even picked up. Let's see. It says 6 bundles of iron or steel, rods or bars. Doesn't say in specific what is the name of this stuff, but yeah, man. Going to Claremore, Oklahoma, man. Man, hot up there, all that PPE on. Go up here to the security. Yeah, man. Bro, man, it's folks get me hot out here, man. Yeah, man, let's hit the road. What is up, though, man? Just delivering my final man, I thought I left my phone back there, but just delivering my final load from Maverick Transportation, man. Light easy load. They're deadheading me from Claremore, Oklahoma to Little Rock, North Little Rock, which is, I'm gonna say 4.5 hours away from where I'm at now, but I'm gonna stop in Russellville. I gotta take this drug test for this other job in the morning, and I won't have my truck for that job till next Tuesday, the day after Labor Day. So we'll go from there, man. We'll see how that goes. But I won't be recording any content for that company until, I want to say, 2 weeks after I'm hired. You know, just to get the feel of the job. Once I get my own stuff, as far as the equipment and everything, I don't want to tell y'all everything, but yeah, man, we'll see how it goes. But so like, subscribe, comment, share, man, and yeah, man, we'll see how this goes, man. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Until then, I'm out. YouTube, what up, though, man? Road Runner J here in my last video of Maverick Transportation. I'm actually cleaning out the truck now, getting ready to get a ride back to Memphis to drop my stuff off in storage, and I'll start this other job I think Tuesday, the day after Labor Day. Just took my drug test this morning. I know I'm clean, so they're just preparing my truck for me. More information and details on that coming soon. But yeah, man, just getting all this stuff out and ready to go. So, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make a separate video. It'll be attached to this video. But all the bad things about Maverick and other videos I plan to release that I just been holding on to about Maverick transportation. So stay tuned about that. And yeah, man, gotta get a lot of stuff up out of here. And the videos would be about things that I wasn't able to post while at Maverick. So, you know, I'm working, man. It's been delaying me uploading videos due to this other job I've been trying to get, and me getting off, dozing off, falling asleep, doing this, you know, editing and or trying to edit. So it's not an easy job, man. You know, flatbed is mainly pick up and go, so once we park, it's kind of snooze time. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. And here's the other part of the video I was talking about. Just get my truck cleaned out, turning in my key and Wi-Fi box now. Go see what they say. Yeah, man. Maverick transportation, it's been real, man. Appreciate y'all for the experience and time here, but it's time to move on to bigger and better things. Make this guap, man. Let's see what he says. Turning in my key. Yeah, man. He's on the phone, so I'm gonna see what he said. I'll see y'all when I'm putting my stuff in storage to tell y'all more about them.